This is a living canvas, a place where 7 million bulbs wake up from the dark soil to announce the arrival of spring. This is the Keukenhof, located in the heart of the Dutch flower region, in the town of Lies. Keukenhof is not just a garden. It is a curated masterpiece of horticulture. For only 8 weeks each year, this historic estate transforms into the world's largest floral stage. It is a tribute to the Dutch tulip, a flower that once triggered the world's first economic bubble and now defines the visual identity of a nation. What makes it truly spectacular is the fleeting nature of its beauty. Walking through these grounds is an exercise in mindfulness, where the intricate patterns, the intoxicating scents, and the sheer scale of the displays are designed to overwhelm the senses in the best way possible. From the symmetrical historic gardens to the modern architectural flower pavilions, it offers a level of botanical precision that you will find nowhere else on Earth. In 2026, getting to this floral paradise is easier than ever. Keukenhof is situated just 40 minutes south of Amsterdam, and you don't need a car to reach it. Dedicated shuttle buses, the Keukenhof Express, run directly from major hubs. You can hop on a comfortable shuttle from Amsterdam City Center, Amsterdam RAI, or Haarlem. If you're arriving by plane, there is a direct shuttle service from Amsterdam Airport Schiphol that brings you straight to the main entrance in about 30 minutes. For those coming from other directions, frequent connections are also available from Leiden and Hoofddorp. These services are designed to be seamless, often offering combination tickets that include both your transport and your park entry. To visit the Keukenhof is to understand the Dutch soul. Organized, colorful, and deeply rooted in the land. It is a spectacle that demands to be seen at least once in a lifetime. For more deep dives on the history of the tulip and the best travel routes for your 2026 visit our content library at explorethenetherlands.com. We've mapped it all out for you.